Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm going to give you an overview of this Badger WB52cc 52cc leaf blower, backpack leaf blower. And I'm going to get all your questions that you might even have answered. Check this out. So, this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a review on our leaf blower? But in no way whatsoever would this being provided to me negatively or positively affect my review. So check this out. This thing blows, and when I say blows, I mean in a good way. It has pretty much everything you are going to need except the fuel. Let me start with how this thing is mounted on your back. Let me switch the camera so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, on the back you have these very cushiony straps that go over each shoulder. They are fully adjustable. You also have a strap that goes around your stomach, and so if you don't want this thing to get away from you, it definitely can't. Buckles in the front, almost like a belt buckle, and you are locked and loaded. You also have some padding here on the back, and there's like some kind of like built-in shock absorber. I don't know if you can see that a little bit. This and this, it's like, I don't know, there's like some kind of, there's like a spring, yeah, there's a spring system right there. You can barely see it. There's a spring system, so there you go. So you can see, so it's definitely comfortable. Pretty easy to start. Once you get going, straight out of the box, it's going to take you a little bit extra pull time just to get it going. But very simple to use. You just flip it up. You hit this 7 times, put this in start mode, give it a couple pulls, put it down and run, pull a couple pulls, you're good to go. It does use mixed gas, so the oil that you would mix it with obviously comes separate. Also has a nice hang tag here for instructions. That's pretty much it. Very easy as far as getting to your air filter, whenever you need to replace those. I don't think that would be all that often, but as you can see, it's right there. Spins off, locks in place. Very easy to work on. It does come with some tools too, I guess whenever you would need to adjust or replace the spark plug. Right underneath there, comes right out. All the tools come with that. This is actually very comfortable. So when you're holding this thing, it moves around very, very easily. You have a swivel here. This is, will pretty much move all over the place. You have your handheld trigger. This is in the off position. This clicks into start, and then you can lock it down into, on mode just to keep it going. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 different extensions, or you can keep it all together like this. In the video you're seeing of me blowing some leaves around, I have it like this. It's kind of cool because you can get right down to the ground, and so if you really want to have a very strategic, focused blast of air coming out, you can definitely do that. The weight on this thing, I would say, is probably around 25 or so pounds, but because of the padding and everything, it's very comfortable. I didn't feel any wear or issues with my shoulders walking this thing around. So if you are looking for a blower that blows the heck out of some leaves, this thing's got some good pressure to it. Hopefully that answered any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.